Hi friends, this is 5 minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V21e 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Vivo V21e 5G. First, open camera in your phone, and if you take photo, there will be a sound. Okay, for shutter sound, uh, some sound will be coming when you press shutter button. See here, I take a photo. Hear that sound. Okay, if you turn off that clicking and that capturing shutter sound, just you can do it. For that, go to the camera settings here, and first option is shutter sound. Okay, just already it is turned on, you have to turn it off. Now uh, now take picture using shutter button. Shutter sound is not hearing now, it's not coming. So in this way, you can easily turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Vivo V21e 4G. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.